Hi guys, today we're going to try and fix a problem happening with the PlayStation and an LG OLED TV. Now this issue is quite a strange one because when you're playing a game, so this is the Spider-Man Miles Morales game, and all you hear is the music, you don't hear any audio in there. So if we jump into the game now, there is talking going on, but you can't hear anything. So now if we pause the game for a moment, and if I go to settings and we go to all settings, sound and additional settings, HDMI input audio format, and this is why the issue is happening because it's set to bitstream. So if you change that over to PCM, and that's it. So if I just click OK to that and come out of this, and now, if we carry on the game, there you go. The speech is back now. There you go. I hope it's helped anyone having this issue. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.